Hello, I'm back. Are you back? Are you in your seat? Do you have listening ears and looking eyes? Eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. Today in math, we have a review. So let's get with it. All right, number 1. It says read the scale. Circle the object that weighs more. Now, when an object weighs more, it is heavy and it goes down. When it is light, it goes up because we can lift it easily. When it's heavy, it goes down because it's hard to carry. So let's look at the scale. On number 1, which object weighs more? The one that goes down, the backpack. Ding, 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 ding. Which weighs more? Is that a radio or a camera? One is a tiny camera. I don't know what the big one is, but the one that goes down weighs more. Let's look at number 3. Read the scale, mark the answer. If the scale is like this, what does that mean? It means both things weigh the same. They are both pushing down at the same rate. So not one is down and one is up. They are the same. All right, so one shoe weighs the same as 4 blocks. It doesn't weigh more than because it's not pushing it down. It doesn't weigh less than because it's not up in the air. It's the same. It is equal. Okay. 3 acorns weigh what than 1 pine cone? Which one is down? The pine cone. So which one weighs more? The pine cone. Which one weighs less? The acorns. 3 acorns weigh less than a pine cone. Acorns are up. Pine cone is down. All right. 1 book weighs what than a crayon? Which one is down? The book. So it weighs more than. If you need to pause the video, pause the video. I don't think you can speed it up though. So I'm just not sure how well y'all know this because I haven't been with you, so I can't tell how fast you're going. So just adjust as you need to. Underline the container that holds less. That's pretty easy. It's the smaller one. Oh, it said underline. So sorry. Circle the container that holds more. I think it's the bigger one. Ding. Draw the number of jars that 2 jugs can fill. All right. In the key, it says 1 jug fills 2 jars. So I'm going to put a 2 on this jug because it fills 2 jars. And I'm going to put a 2 on that jug. It fills 2 jars. If I put them together, what am I doing? I'm adding. What is 2 plus 2? Ding, ding, ding. 4. Complete the sentence. Explain your answer. A and B. A pours into B. B still has more room, but A is empty. Which one holds more? Could B hold some more? Look at A. Is A filled up to the top? Can it hold any more? So B is bigger. Because after A is emptied, it could still hold more. All right. That was easy. The next page, I want you to do it. I want you to listen to me carefully. If you want to rush on and go ahead, that is fine, but you need to know what each thing means, so I would advise that you listen. Mamas do not help with this because I need to know where they are in their understanding. I need to know what they can do alone. It does not matter if they answer every question wrong, okay? It's not for a grade. It's just for me to know what they know. All right, put your name at the top of the paper. Ow, I just hit my ankle. Oh, that hurts. All right, put your name at the top of the paper. I hope you have been putting your names on your paper. I know that you're the only one at home, but we don't want our papers to get mixed up, and we don't want to get out of that habit. All right, it says put an X on the shorter one, on the shortest. The 3 ropes, put an X on the shortest. That's pretty simple. On number 2, Put an X on the shortest one. X on the shortest. Circle the tallest. Circle the tallest. Number 3, write the length of Fuzzy Wuzzy the caterpillar. Write the length of the little train. Choo choo. How long are you? Write how long it is. Thinking question number 5. We have a box of toys. How many balls do you see in that toy box? Write it down. How many cars do you see in that toy box? What is it filled mostly with? It has more. Look at the problem number 5. Which toy is someone more likely to pick up? It did not say they are going to pick it up. They are more likely. What does the toy box have more of? Which toy is someone less likely to pick up on number 6? It has less of these. So they are less likely to pick it up. Turn the page. Pause the video if you need to. I want you to read number 7 out loud with me. Tom's leaf is 7 inches long. 7. We know that. John's leaf is 5 inches long. How much longer is Tom's leaf than John's leaf? If you need to draw this out, draw it out. How much longer? What do? Are we adding them together to see how much longer it is? Are we subtracting what is the same? Okay. Do what you think right there. See if it makes sense. Tom's leaf is 7 inches and John's leaf is 5. Does anybody have a 12-inch leaf? How much longer is Tom's leaf than John's? Number 8. Karen cracked 6 nuts. Go Karen. She has 6 more nuts to crack. How many nuts will she crack in all when she is all done with her job? She's got 6 already done. She's got 6 more to go. How many is she going to have cracked in all? Is she going to have cracked 0? Or 12? Draw a line to match the shaded face of the figure to its shape. Okay, so what they want you to do is, you can see they have a green face on this cylinder. And they want you to draw over to the other side what shape matches that green shape on the cylinder. That's called a face. What shape is on the face of the cube? What shape is on the rectangular cube? Not cube. What is it called? What is the shape of his face? All right, let's look at the next one. Write the number represented. Okay, I see hundreds, I see tens, and I see ones. So I know this number's in the hundreds place. So it's ones, tens, hundreds. There needs to be 3 numbers to represent this one. Same with the next one. All right, when you are done, you are done. Yay, you! All right, so we will do flashcards next, and we are going to learn the 11 families. So get it ready. I will be back in just a minute. Be sure you have something to write with. I'll see you in a minute.